Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's world. And yes, it is time to get back on the Monday grind. But today I got some freebies for you. Stay tuned because here they come. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And today, yes, it's time to get back on the Monday grind, but it is okay. I got a couple of nice casual fun watch faces for you all to check out. Now, in the door, I gotta let you know. Now, I found this watch face in the Gear Manager store, and it says paid, right? I think it's $1. But when I went to go download it, because I thought it was such an awesome watch face, it said free. So check that out. That's just a heads up, right? But I was able to download this one for free. I think it's an awesome watch face. I suggest you check it out as soon as you watch this video. Cool? So the name of this watch face is called I-Futuristic. Now, the one is spelled out. This is the one you're going to be looking for. Now, it's a nice watch face. And always on mode, it pretty much looks the same. But when it's on, it gives you all the information most people are really looking for out of a watch face. And that's exercise and activity. So you get your step info, you get your heart rate, and you get your calories burned. The main step status that you really want to know anyway, right? Then you got your battery life. You got your digital time. You come down, you got your day and your date. And I thought this was a really good look. On that side, you got a little moon phase. And if you look what's going around the bezel of the watch that's glowing in blue, that's going to be your second hand. Very nice look out of a watch face. So you kind of get the best of both worlds in a sense, right? But check this out. This is free. So if I tap single, I can cycle through all the many different colors that I can change to, and you can change the theme of this watch face. I thought that one was nice. I thought this one was the best, but it gets to a place where you can have a different watch face pretty much every day of the week. I thought this was an awesome find. I thought it was an awesome look, and I thought it was something that you would want to take a look at. All right, you all go down to the Gear Manager store, download this right now. Number two. Now, number two is probably one of the coolest free watch faces that I've saw in a while. And yes, this one is free all day. Now, the name of the watch face is called I-Futuristic. Very nice look, and always on mode is pretty much going to look the same, but when it's on, you're going to get stacked time. I love digital time, and you got some animation going around the bezel of the watch if you take a look, which I thought was a nice added touch for such a watch face. Now, you get the day of the week, you get the month, and you get your battery percentage right over there. I thought that was definitely a good look. Now, if you look down at the bottom, you got your step info, battery info. You could tap on both of them, and it would take you right into that info to give you more status on that particular application. Now, what I like most about this watch face is this. Now, I thought this was different. You tap on it, it opens up the information that you're looking for, and I thought that was pretty cool, which means it gives it a different look. And yeah, to be free, this is definitely worth it. What do you think, guys? You got to hit me in the comment section below. Let me know if you're going to go down this free, awesome watch face in the Gear Manager store. Okay, you all, let you get finished with your grind. The day will be over with soon. And with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, before you leave, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this and you haven't subscribed, then subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.